said something.
Okay, the microwave has 3 showing. You can't click on anything. Nothing seems to work. Now I'm going to go and I'm going to unplug and replug. So I'm going to unplug the microwave because it's 3 and nothing is happening. I'll give it 10 seconds. 9. Now I'll plug back in. It asks the clock first. I'll go 11:46. Enter. PM. Enter. And it seems to be working fine. But I can try the
Should I turn
vent.
it on?
Nope, keep going.
Well, what do you want me to video now?
So it seems to be working fine now. But you can see that there was a problem. I can click on home. I can click on cook and it will cook. I go 10 seconds. It works fine. So the question is why does it periodically stop?